Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. If you make one common mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on tools, parts and diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today guys will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW X3, X4, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2018. If you need to find where the variable timing solenoid fuses and relays are located, variable timing solenoids, okay, those fuses will be actually hidden. We'll talk about that, where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, bodywork, a little bit of everything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And guys, if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time, we're going to put links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Check it out, that way do not waste your money guys. Also, we will have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out guys. We'll have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs as well. So let's start on it now. So guys, this BMW has many hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know that they even exist. You have up to 5 or 6 different fuse boxes, and for many of you, okay, some of those are special fuse boxes, kind of like this one here. If you don't know about them guys, we'll recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on BMW X3, X4. Check it out, it can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So guys, the variable timing solenoid fuses, where you can expect to find them, the relays as well, we'll talk about that. We will demonstrate on this BMW here, but as you know, BMW X3, X4, they're built on the same generation, the same platform, so it should work for both. What we first need to do, open the passenger door, open the glove box, empty the content of it. In the very back on the right you have that cover, press that tab, pull the cover out. Behind it you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let us tell you guys why it's super important to test fuses and relays. Fuses guys sometimes are really hard to know if they're burnt or not. For instance, I'm going to pull one fuse here, okay, and sometimes you cannot clearly see if they're good, they're bad. And let's say you think you have a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up having problems again, and you spend time, money, you buy parts, diagnostics, you pay for services that you don't need guys. You practically wasted your money. So all you have to do, check your fuses, that way you don't waste money guys. So always test your fuses, even if you think it's good, always test it. It even happened to us guys, okay, and we work on cars all the time. Another thing, always test your relays. They're a little bit harder to test, but if you want to see guys how to test fuse relays, we will put a link in the description of the video below. But we've seen so many customers that think that they have a good fuse, they put it back in, they waste their money on parts and diagnostic that they practically guys do not need. So check out the link in the description of the video below, how to test the fuse and how to test the relay as well. So guys, here for the VVT solenoid, also known as VVT sensor, which fuses we need to check. First, okay, we'll work in multiple fuse boxes. Make sure to stay until the end. If you come in that row of fuses, the first fuse that you need to check is fuse number 15, that's for engine management. And if you come in the trunk, remove that cover. Underneath you need to pull that, let me show you here quick. You need to pull that insulation piece up, and behind it you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one. Here you need to check a few more fuses. Now you may have all of them or some of them depending on which engine model, year, build you have, but one of them is 131 and 132. If you don't have them, that's fine, we'll talk about that. You need to also check fuse number 143, which is that 15M fuse here. Now the main thing that you need to check now guys, if all these fuses are good, open the hood. On the driver's side by the windshield, here you have that cover. You need to remove it. For any of you that want to see how to do that, we have it in the video about fuse box location and diagram on BMW X3, X4. That's a brake fluid reservoir. This is the white cover that needs to come out. Pull the clip, remove the cover, and behind it you have a integrated power supply module. If you remove it, it looks like this one. That thing is supposed to be not serviceable. If it goes bad, you have to replace it. We'll have a video how to open it. On the inside, guys, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fuses and 3 relays. If you have problems with VVT solenoids, Vacuum solenoids, also known as variable timing solenoids, these fuses right here will need to be checked, guys. Okay, check these fuses because of a bad solenoid or bad wiring. Sometimes you can blow a fuse and it will be most likely one of those. Relays, you don't have relays. The relay function is controlled practically by the engine computer. So guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays for your BMW at a good price, quick shipping, guys, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from, because we have very specific fuses, especially these little fuse boxes, guys. Those could be really hard to find. You can see like the one right here as well, guys, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping as well. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.